In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your site to Google AdSense. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into it. First off, you need to understand the reason behind the Connect Your Site prompt. This message generally pops up if you're looking to monetize a blog or website, whether it's on platforms like Wix or WordPress. However, if you're already earning through YouTube, you might feel a little perplexed, as this is not something that directly affects your earnings from that platform. Still, AdSense can often get a bit confused and demand a URL when you're trying to set things up. So, what do we do about it? Let's walk through the steps together. To start with, please open up your Google AdSense home screen. You should see a big button that says Let's Go under the Connect Your Site section. Go ahead and click that button. Now here's where it gets a little interesting. Since AdSense doesn't play nice when you simply paste your usual YouTube channel link, we need to employ a little creativity. I want you to think of a dummy URL to use here. This means you can create something that isn't a real website but will satisfy AdSense. For example, take the first part of your email or your YouTube channel name and add a .com to the end of it. So if your channel name is AwesomeVids, your dummy URL could be awesomevids.com. Once you've crafted that dummy URL, it's time to enter it into the required field. After entering it, don't forget this crucial step. You need to save the changes. Look for a Save button on the page and click on it. Now, here's the magic part. By doing this, AdSense will accept the formatting of the text you've provided, and that might just clear the requirement screen that was holding you back. Once this is done, your connected YouTube channel should be able to process payments normally without any more hiccups. It's really that simple. With just a few steps, you've managed to navigate what can often feel like a complicated process. Remember, the key was using a dummy URL to trick AdSense into thinking you've done everything correctly. And trust me, once you get that initial hurdle out of the way, everything should flow smoothly from there. If you're new to AdSense or just starting to explore monetizing your content, don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions or watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this guide has been helpful for you and has demystified the process of connecting your site to Google AdSense. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. You'll be the first to know when I post more tips and tricks for maximizing your online presence. Until next